fellas, nice back here again with another quick update on where I'm at and what I've been doing since I last spoke to you. To be fair, got a bit done, but not much, because obviously it's been absolutely roasting here. It's been really red hot and really warm, so I haven't really got much done as opposed as what I would like. One thing I did get done, which some of you would have seen, is the Airfix Hurricane was finished. So here he is. Or should I say here she is. Okay, let me just, I'm just going to move something out of the way there. I'll just put that out of the way. Okay, there we are. She's all done. Really enjoyed this build. Okay, for all the way from the riveting all over the airframe to using our mast sets for the first time in anger. Yeah, really enjoyable build. I've always really liked the Hurricane. You know, it's like a plucky underdog, and especially against when it was out in Africa. They were against, you know, the might of the Italian and the German air forces at the time, and there were very few aircraft about at the time. You know, a flight of 6 aircraft or a squadron of 12, and that was it for either in North Africa or on Malta. So you can imagine the overwhelming odds they were actually against them. So for them to carry on as they did in appalling conditions, living out of tents, dysentery and all that sort of stuff, you know, it really needs thinking about. So I really enjoyed that build, and especially that aircraft. Next up, we've got the Tempest. Now with the Tempest, I've not really done much. I've got the cockpit painted to a certain degree, and the and what have you. That's going to be a slow burner. I'll be cracking on again with that in a bit. That's stalled now because I need to put a matte coat on that at the moment, and I can't really in this weather because I don't want it to be too bitty. I've also been doing this, which is, there we are, is Tamiya's P-47, the Razorback. Okay, as you can see, using another lot of mast sets as well as on the side, so I'll just quickly show you those. So the one I'm doing is that one there, and the tail and the nose are both bright red, as you can see just there. So that's just been done actually. So one mast set I use with these, so just that generic US stars and bars. Okay, so these are ranging from 16" all the way down to 15", so they will give you plenty to be playing about with. Got those, and a newer set that we've just been releasing is the American lettering. So this is the whole alphabet, and you get 4 of each. Okay, all the way from A to Z. Yeah, all the way to A to Z, and so you can, you know, make up your codes and all that sort of stuff. So that's the Thunderbolt. The other Thunderbolt, the A10. Okay, not really any further forward apart from I started sanding some of the seams, and as you can probably see, yeah, all the way down a very bad seam line. The sort of, instead of going flat like that, they curled in a bit, so they didn't, one curled in one slightly more than the other. So there's not much I can really do about that apart from filling and then sanding, and then it'll be a case of re-riveting if I can. And again, up in the nose section up there. Okay, so that's going to be a pain in the arse to actually deal with. I'll get it out a little light so you can see it. Deal with that part, but I shall at some point. And again, that's basically just a slow burner as I'm building the Thunderbolt. Next up, it's going to be one of two. It's either going to be that or that. But what I might build, I might start on the bomber. Reason being, because with it being warm, I can't really do a lot of painting. So with this, it's got a full interior and engines and all that sort of stuff. So it could be that's next on the list. Because like I say, it's got a full interior, so I might be able to build that in parts, get it all built up, and then painted, weathered separately before we eventually close up the fuselage. What's going on over the next couple of weeks? I don't think I'll get much done because next week I'm working away for a couple of days, and the week after that I'm away for a full week, and then I move on to being away on holiday for 2 weeks. So for the next 3 weeks I'm not going to get much time up here because of those said reasons. So I'm probably not going to get a lot done, if I'm honest. So yeah, unless I can, if I do start on that, do I start? I'm just thinking, if I could have got a no, because then, sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. That's not really going to take that much to get together, so I might save that, because I might, what I'll do, I'll take something away with me. Now, where I'll be able to take stuff away with me and do some filming is a different matter, because I've only got this overhead, and I haven't got brilliant lights, so we'll have to see what's what with me, because both my lights are quite big bench lights, so I don't know whether I'll be able to do that, but we'll see. That being said, I'll possibly be able to take the do 17Z away with me. Just mainly because, again, it's got the interior, so I can crack on with the interior, build it in parts, and then paint it when I come home. Okay, anyway, that's it, fellas. That's it from me. As always, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.